Hey guys, John with Luxe here. Today we're going to be installing our headlight pre-cut kit on this Dodge Charger. It's an 11 to 14 model. This is going to go right here over our blinker, or our side marker I guess, and this one goes over the blinker. Let's see. First thing you want to do is just pull the tint off the backing paper. It does have the air release, so it's going to be pretty easy to apply. I'm going to line it up down here in this corner and kind of at the top. That's going to be where I start. I do have the tint overhanging the light by maybe a 1/16 of an inch or so that I can heat it and wrap it around and get that seamless look. So this kit's very easy to apply. Basically just going to keep this corner held out just a little bit and slowly work the film. About a squeegee here. Work it down. There's a little bit of a finger right there. If you get that, I'm not putting too much pressure so that I can pull this back and work any of that out if I need to. There we go. The install's mostly done. I am going to use heat now and get it to wrap around that fully. You can use a heat gun or a torch if you're comfortable with that tool. Most hair dryers are not going to get hot enough, and you do want to make sure that the tint is fully secured around all the edges so that the install is successful long term. There you go. Also, by heating the film, if there's any bubbles or anything that you didn't press down enough, you'll kind of see them rise as the air expands and you can work them out. Okay, so we've got the passenger side piece here. Same exact technique. But I'm going to use this corner, line the tint up, work this direction. There we go. See, I don't put any pressure down yet because you may need to pull the tint up and make an adjustment if a wrinkle forms. So now that I know I have this pretty much applied, I am going to start using harder pressure and work it around these curves. And same as before, use heat to make sure that it's fully applied all the way around. I'm going to use a squeegee and put pressure here just to make sure we don't have any lifting in that area. So there we go. That's a completed install of our headlight kit for an 11 to 14 Charger.